Hey, Simon Says here. Are you looking for the perfect gift to give this year to that special someone who enjoys bass fishing? This Berkeley gift pack has it all for a price that gives you a bang for your buck and can have them on the water catching solid fish in minutes. Just pair it up with your favorite casting combo and you're good to go. Inside, you'll see that you're equipped with Berkeley 19 Fusion hooks along with the Square Bow 5.5 crankbait. For a different approach, there's a pack of Berkeley Pit Bosses, which is easily my favorite flipping and pitching bait. If the bite is tough, the General and Max 10 is sure to draw out those aggressive strikes. Pairing this all with 100% trilene fluorocarbon, giving you line you can trust, making the entire box worth the purchase.